Hi guys, how you doing? So today we're going to be taking a look at how to clean one of these, and I've got 4 methods for you. Guys, so I'm just in the process of completing a build behind me. I've got a radiator and it needs a clean. Now it's been used for about 4 or 5 months on and off. It's a little bit dusty. It's not the worst thing in the world, but I have had examples where they're minging. You know, people vape, people smoke, people have pets. I'm quite lucky and I don't have any of those, but I do have children, so it's quite similar, I think. So I've got 4 methods that I like to clean radiators, and I like to run them through. So number 4, it's the spray can. They can be got cheap from the Poundland and places like that. They offer an okay solution. If you haven't got anything else and you just need a quick job every now and again, then they work out to be quite cost effective. However, if you're going to use them all the time, then I probably wouldn't bother. Which leads me on to number 3. So number 3 is the Hoover. Now you can clean quite well with these. Sometimes the fins on the radiators don't allow it. You can't really get in there. It just depends on how powerful your Hoover is, but it is an option. Another option if you're cleaning machines quite regularly is the computer Hoover. So this is a high compressed air stream which comes out. You can get all different attachments for it, and this is very effective. Now if you get a computer in and it's filthy, you can give it a good old blast and it works quite well. I wouldn't use it late at night because it's very loud. It's especially good for cleaning power supplies, so you can get in there, you can give it a shake. I did it the other week and it was really good, and I got all the dust out and it was fantastic. You can also use it on GPUs, on the heatsink, and it kind of gets in the gaps where you can't get with a Hoover. Not that you're going to use a Hoover on a GPU or an air canister, so that's very good. But if you've got a really grotty radiator, then the thing which I like to use is the trusty old shower. Yes, now some people are going, you can't use a shower. However, if you prepare the AIO/radiator properly, then you can get a really good result. So I'm going to show you how I prepare it, and then I'm going to show you the process of cleaning your radiator with a shower. Hi guys, so what I've done here is I've got a carrier bag and I've wrapped it around the tubes and the pump, so everything's sealed there. Also got a little bit of tape there just to hold the thing in place, but to be honest, if the tubes get wet, it's not a problem because it's just a bit of nylon or a bit of rubber depending on what your radiator tubes are. So what we're going to do now is going to go in the bathroom and we're going to give it a shower. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get a hairdryer and we're going to dry it off. So it is important to remember to make sure that this is completely dry. So you just get the hairdryer on it a few times, just flip it over, give it a bit of a shake, and then you're good to go. And then, as you can see, it's cleaned up really nicely. Sometimes you do have to repeat it, or just obviously get under the shower longer if it's grotty. And I've even been known to put a bit of shower gel on there, especially when they're a bit stinky. But anyway, I hope that helps. Do bear in mind if you've got like a fan hub actually on the unit. I know Fractal have fan hubs built in, that you cover those up, or you probably do a different method than the shower for that. So yeah, so obviously you do everything at your own risk, but if you're careful, sensible, then this is definitely a good way. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.